In this video, I will show you how to type in three column in Word. As we can see here, so simple and easy way. If you are using any version of Microsoft Office, method and setting almost you will find similar in all version. Click on layout and column, and here select three column. Default is selected one. So layout, column and select three like this. Here are some more settings. You can add this line between column. Default, you will not see this line. So you can add this line. So column, more columns, and check this box line between. And here you can see the preview. Click on OK. You can increase or decrease this space between column. So same setting, column, more columns, and here spacing you can increase or decrease like this. You can change size for this all column. So firstly unselect this box. Now you can add column width as your requirement, first, second and third like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.